Is this thing on?
And today we'll be playing Noob Train. Now, Saturday I wasn't able to post because I went somewhere very far. So today I'll be playing Noob Train today. So let's get into it. Now here we go. Let's see what we have here. Oh, let me ask this girl. She does not know anything. Literally.
You wanna take my wallet if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Girl, let's put some.
Let's see what to get spawn here. Let's spawn one little friend. Oh, he be looking cute today. There you are. Good job.
朋友是一个坚韧不拔的纪录片，在
Oh, sorry guys, just my language I mostly speak in my country right now. I'm in a different country. I don't live in America anyways. Stop following me, noob. Let's spawn 20. Okay, 20 in a row. This is trend in Roblox. This do it a long time ago. Like you spawn like a lot of noobs and then do like wee. We are back. I had to join back because I was disconnected or something. So we're gonna have 100 speed.
فورتنايت ولا بابا جي؟
بابا جي
بابا جي ولا اكس بوكس سيريس اكس؟
بابا جي
بابا جي ولا بلاي ستيشن 5؟
بلاي ستيشن 5